Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start shares and dividend, grade 10. Okay. So, the word generally share. What is the meaning of share? Share means contribute, right? So, हमारे पुराने बुजुर्ग लोग भी कहते थे एक और एक 11 होते हैं. तो सेम थिंग है. You know, most of the industries financially they are going to take help from the market. अब मार्केट में कौन है? हम और आप हो. Then what they are doing? They are just published something regards to their funds. जैसे रिलायंस है, अदानी है, टाटा है. They all always declare their contribution that people can contribute some funds to their company, and instead of that, on the behalf of that contribution, company declare some profit, and that profit is distributed amongst the contributor, that is people, those who are going to contribute the money. So the all concept is basically considered as shares. Means you are providing some funds to a particular company, right? But there is some condition, term and condition. So how it is going on? So you cannot go through directly. There is a mediator, and in India there are three basic concepts for our financial sector. One is the RBI, that is for banking sector. Another is IRDA for Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, that is IRDA, which regulates on insurance. And one more is SEBI. SEBI is an organization which control all the shares. In the market every day you are listening about the mutual fund, shares, equity fund, liquidity fund. These all are controlled by SEBI. So we are discussing one of the part of the SEBI, that is shares and dividend. Generally meaning of shares, here the heading is already given, shares. Shares means how much you are going to contribute in the company, and dividend means company instead of that share providing you some profit. That is called dividend. Okay. Now, first of all, there are some technical terms you must know in this unit. One of the term is face value or nominal value. Face value or nominal value. अब ये फेस वैल्यू वर्ड क्या? फेस वैल्यू मतलब चेहरे की वैल्यू? नो, इट इज नॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ चेहरा. दिस फेस वैल्यू और नॉमिनल वैल्यू क्या होता है? जब जस्ट आज डिस्कस्ड कि कंपनी डिक्लेयर्ड फॉर टू कंट्रीब्यूट in their companies, so they just divide a terms. What terms? कि भाई मेरे पास suppose that they complete the unit of the company in 1 lakh unit, right? Means 1 lakh unit में उसको divide कर दिया, and each unit of 100 rupees, right? So company में जरूरत कितनी है? 1 lakh into 100, how much? That is 1 crore, right? So company require 1 crore rupees, and so that is 1 lakh rupees is contributed by number of 1 lakh is the number of unit, that is your share. तो कंपनी ने 1 लाख शेयर को मार्केट में लॉन्च किया, और एक शेयर की कीमत उसने कितनी रखी? 100 रुपए. See, it is not saying that 1 lakh is only there. I'm just taking an example you should know. So each unit it is declared as rupees 100. So the price which is declared by the company is called face value. So this 100 rupees is face value. But do you know this is not necessary that you are going to get on this value only. Sometimes you can get it to pay extra charge, or sometimes you can get it on discount. So there are three terms. Another term is market value. Market value means the price through which you are going to get these shares. Right? Company declared a certain price and that price is face value. Now, people means investor. Investor means the person who invests. Investor is going to get that share from the market, that is called market value. Now, investor can get through a mediator, that like SEBI, or there, and in SEBI there are so many agents are there. So in market value they can get in by three ways. One is at par. What do you mean by at par? At par means no discount, no charge. Means the price which is declared by the company is same in the market, then it is called at par. Another is at discount. Means company declared at 100 rupees, but due to some reason, marketer, investor declared discount of 10%. So this price is not 100 rupees, it is now rupees 90. But remember, company will give you the profit on this only. Either it will be discount or it is charged. Now another is at premium. At premium means, suppose I said 10% charged, extra charged. So market value of this is how much? 110. How? 100 plus 10% of 100. So that is called at premium. So again, the main concept to know only these things, then rest all automatically will be easier. See, what I said, market face value, the price declared by the company is face value. Market value, there are three concepts of market value. At par means the price which is declared by the company, if on that same price an investor is getting, that is called at par, market value. At discount, sometimes due to the analysis, due to the study of market, due to some crisis of market, you can say, so there is a discount. So discount, that is whatever the face value minus that. So you are going to get market value. Again, at premium means you have to give extra, that is the premium. So this is the concept of what? These are the concept of market value and face value. Now, another concept. What I said at the beginning, that is dividend. Means one other term is share, another concept is dividend. So market value into number of share to some investment, but to go ahead you must know about the dividend. Dividend means profit declared by the company. You know, whenever I was explaining about the market value and face value, I said company declared their profit on the behalf of their unit only, unit price only, not on the market price. So remember one thing, dividend means the general language of dividend is profit declared by company, right? So dividend, how to find out? Dividend equal to, see here I have written dividend equal to number of share into face value into percentage dividend, that is 1 upon 100, d by 100, sorry. Dividend equal to number of share into face value into percentage dividend upon 100. Now I have written here, look at here. So this is the annual income declared by, that is profit declared by company, and on the behalf of that you are going to get annual income. Now come to the point one by one. Some investment means investor invested some money, that is, suppose you are the investor. So how to get the total, how much you are going to get? You are going to invest. So market value of each share into number of share. If I said find the number of share, so you can find from here number of share is sum investment upon market value. If I said find out market value, then sum investment upon number of share. So you can get three formula from here. What? Sum investment, market value into number of share. Market value equal to sum investment upon number of share. If I said number of share, then sum investment upon market value. Now, next steps. Sometime you can directly this is called shortcut way to find out the number of share. How? Total dividend is given, not percentage dividend. Remember one thing, always percentage dividend, rate of dividend is given, not total dividend. But if you are getting total dividend, on that time total dividend upon dividend on one share, that's the number of shares. Again, if you are going to get total profit, that is also total profit upon profit on each share. So I will suggest you ignore this second formula. Okay. Now, third one that I just declared, the dividend, number of share into face value into percentage dividend. That is dividend, percent dividend by 100. Now you know that is different. Dividend, it is declared by company. But you are also getting that same money for particular number of share. But what about your return, percentage return? So remember one thing, someone always confused about that. Percentage return equal to percentage dividend. Never. Percentage rate is never equal to percentage dividend. Is that clear? Never means never. So percentage return equal to return upon sum investment into 100. Clear? So remember always one thing, dividend percentage is different and your return is different. So to know about the return, see one more formula, tricky forms I had written here. Rate of dividend into NV equal to percentage return into MV. Rate of dividend means this is also known as percentage dividend. Percentage D into NV equal to percentage rate into MV. By using this, you can also find out any one of these things. Suppose I said we are having given percentage dividend, face value, that is NV is given. I have given you percentage return, you need to find MV. So you can use that formula. I said MV is given, NV is given, percentage dividend given, you need to find percentage return. So directly you can apply this formula. I have to ask you to, suppose you have to find percentage dividend, nominal value, that is face value, percentage return, MV is given, directly you can use. These are the forms. Now, we are going to discuss one by one all the questions. Okay? How? So questions. Suppose little bit different for the concept of the question. तो question के concept को समझना आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Because wordings कभी-कभी confuse करने वाले रहते हैं, जो बच्चों को confuse करते हैं. कैसे? Look, अभी से क्वेश्चन दिया, a man has 300 rupees 50 share. अभी तो 300 दे दिया, a man has 300, rupees 50 share. You will get confused here only. So here number of share is how much? 300. 300 rupees 50 share means number of share is equal to 300, and you are going to get at face value is rupees 50. Now continue the read. Shares of a company paying 20% dividend. Dividend is given here 20%. Percentage dividend. Okay. Find his net income after paying 3% income. Here it is not mentioned anything. So this face value is only his market value. Okay. So now it's going to ask annual income. Simple. annual income, that is your return, number of share, that formula, number of share, into FV into percentage dividend. So number of share 300, FV rupees 50, dividend is 20%. So 20 by 100, cancel, 1000 into 3, that is 3000. Rupees 3000 is his annual income. That's it. Yes, now in the previous videos we discussed about the concept of the shares and dividend. Now I am going to give you few examples so that you can get it properly. Okay, now suppose one of the question is given. A man invests rupees 3072 in a company paying 5% per annum. It's given some investment. How much? 3072. Right? In a company paying 5% per annum. Paying 5% per annum. Matlab percentage dividend is given 5%. Clear? When its rupees 10 share can be bought for rupees 16. Now 16 and 10, that is a confusing word, right? So FV is rupees 10 and MV is rupees 16. What is this? Means company is providing that these shares by rupees 10, but a person or an investor can get in by rupees 16. So first of all you must have to find out number of share. Nothing to do, first step by step. So see, in mathematics, when we will do step by step, it will be easy. So by sum investment is 3072 upon what I said, market value. Market value is given rupees 16. Calculate it. 1, 16, 9 ja, 144, 32, 2 ja. So how much shares along with that person? 192 shares. Right? Now you have to find annual income, that is return. Annual income means return. Yeah, annual income. So annual income, how much? What is? Dividend means number of share. Formula was for annual income or return was number of share. Number of share how much? 192 into rate of dividend is given how much? 5%, that is 5 by 100. Then face value, cancel, 0. Anything else? 5 2 ja. So 96 rupees. That person is going to get 96 rupees as an annual income. Now you know at the beginning I said rate of return and rate of dividend is never same. Right? So how to find out? Look at here the formula. See, how to find? Percentage dividend is given. Percentage dividend is given how much? 5%. That is 5 by 100. Then face value rupees 10 equal to, then your percentage return you don't have, and MV is given. So how to find out? Look, this is 100, right? Cancel. So percentage return will be 50 by 16. It will be 16 3 ja 48, right? Then how much? 16 3 ja 48, 2 0, 16 1 ja 16 2 ja 16 5 ja. So in short, percentage return you can say 3.1213 you can say. So that the person is going to get percentage profit or percentage return as 3.13%, right? Now, I'm looking some different questions. Actually, these are the questions on the behalf of Salina textbook. Okay. So we are doing Salina textbook right now. Understood this concept? Once again, I will explain this question. See, in this question, some investment is given, that is 3072. Percentage dividend is given 5%. Face value is given. Market value is given. So number of share you have to find first. How? Sum investment upon market value, that is 192. Now again, annual income you have to find by using the formula. How? Annual income, that is your return also. So that is number of share into percentage dividend into face value or nominal value. Right? Now you need to find out percentage return. So apply this formula, you are going to get percentage return. Right? Now I am looking some different questions. So question number 7, some question is there which is related to the previous board exam. The question has been asked in the year of 2014 board. Okay. So question was in board, Salman invest a sum of money in rupees 50 shares. In rupees 50 share, matlab face value is given rupees 50. Okay. Paying 15% dividend. Percentage dividend, how much? 15%. Then it also mentioned quoted at 20% premium. Now MV you have to find. MV you have to find. It's a 20% premium. 20% premium is what? It extra charge 20% of the face value. Means plus 20 upon 100 into 50. Right? Cancel. So it is how much? 50 plus 10, that is rupees 60. Okay. Now given if his dividend is rupees 600. Now dividend is given already, not rate of dividend. Dividend is given rupees 600. Then the question is find the number of share he bought. How to find number of share he bought? Dividend is along with you. Percentage dividend is with you. Face value is given. Market value is given, but number of share is not along with you. So how to find? First find dividend for one share. How to find dividend for one share? See, FV is given, percentage dividend is given, number of share with you, 5 2s. It is how much? 7.5. So price for each share, dividend for one share is how much? 7.5. Right? So number of share, how to find? Number of share equal to total dividend. Total dividend upon dividend of one share. So total dividend how much? 600 upon 7.5. Point cancel 0. So it will become now 75. 25 3s are 25 2s are 4s are 0. Now 3 8s are. How much share is there? 80 share. Number of share you got how much? 80. Right? Now his total income. Now total income, how to find? See, it's already given, that is dividend is given 600. So that is total income. Now investment, how to find out the investment? What is the formula for investment? See, you had already MV, you had number of share. Now number of share is with you. So number of share into MV equal to total investment, that is some investment you can say, right? So number of share how much? 80 and market value you found 60. So how much? 4,800. 4,800 rupees is going to invest. Now you need to find rate of return. Apply this formula. How to find rate of return? Percentage dividend, how much? 15%. NV, nominal value how much? Face value, that is 50. Percentage dividend, percentage return, you don't have. Market value, you got 60. So percentage return equal to 50 into 15 upon 60. Cancel, cancel. 5 2 ja, sorry, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. So it is equal to how much? 25 by 2, it will 12.5%. That is your tip. So these kinds of questions are there. So you must have to go through all these and try to solve the exercise. Thank you.